story time and working on the greenhouse. Hi, it's Sharon and welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. I would like to welcome all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. And I send a big YouTube hug out to all my regulars who watch my videos. Thank you, thank you. So today is Fairy Garden Thursday. And I thought we would read a couple of winter fairy garden little poems and see what they have to say about winter. And we're also going to get into the diorama that I am working on. I started this summer. I actually got it for Valentine's Day and I saved it for the summer. And I started working on it. Didn't get a lot done. So hopefully through the winter I'll get more done. And maybe we'll get it finished in the summer. Anyhow, let's see what we can find in the complete book of Flower Fairies. See if there's anything on winter. Okay, we have Flower Fairies of the Winter. Looks like we have many. The Song of the Winter Jasmine Fairy. All through the summer my leaves were green, but never a flower of mine was seen. Now summer is gone, that was so gay, and my little green leaves are shut away. In the gray of the year, what cheer, what cheer! The winter is come, the cold wind blows, I shall feel the frost and the drifting snow. But the sun can shine in December too, and this is the time of my gift to you. See here, my flowers appear. The swallows have flown beyond the sea, but friendly robins, he stays with me. A little tomtit, so busy and small, hops where the jasmine is thick on the wall. And we say, good cheer, we're here. We're here. The Jasmine Winter Fairy. So we'll do, and this is the Jasmine, big picture of the Jasmine Winter Fairy. He's pretty cute. The Song of the Burdock Fairy. Wee little hooks on each brown little burr. Mind where you're going, O madam and sir. How they will cling to your skirt hem and stocking. Hear how the burdock is laughing and mocking. Try to get rid of me, try as you will. Shake me and scold me, I'll stick to you still. I'll stick to you still. And there's our little burdock fairy. That was fun to get back into this book. I got this book last winter, I think, last Christmas. Maybe the Christmas before. Anyhow, I've read the summer and the spring and the fall, and so now it's winter, so I'm reading the winter. So I thought that was fun to get back into this book. And the author of this book is Cicely Mary Barker. And she wrote and illustrated this book. Okay, so now, don't know if you guys remember, but I worked on this in the summer, and it is a greenhouse. And we made quite a few little pieces together, so I'm going to bring them out and show you. There they are. Trying to keep them all safe. So that they don't get wrecked. Okay, I'm just going to hold them up. Oh, let's get them here. Okay, we made this little box with some flowers in it. I thought it was awfully sweet. And we made a cute little shelf. It says welcome. We made this larger shelf, and then we made these little boxes That can sit on the shelf. Oops, turn it around. And they have names on it. And we made 3 of those. And they sit on the shelf perfectly. We made this little shelf which hangs up, and then you can hang stuff on the little hangers. And we made a little pot, a little clay pot of flowers. The Anorandex chair. And it's cute, and they come in these colors. I didn't paint them. And then we have this little cupboard, and this drawer opens. Come on, you. That drawer opens. And you put a little daisy in there. I think this drawer opens too. So we have 2 little drawers that open. And we made this lovely work table. It has the red checkered cloth, and it has a newspaper article, an advertisement, and calendar on it. And I think it's just so cute. This is the step to get up into the greenhouse. This is a little toolbox or someplace you can put some flowers for display, and it says Serenity on it. This is another storage container, and it says Florist. Maybe you keep your seeds in there, I don't know. Oh, and here's another clay pot with a lovely fern, and this is a hanging plant. Here's our little sewing machine sink, or a little potting thing. Here's another pot with another clay pot with a big tall plant in it. Here's another little clay pot, and it has a green plant in it. There's our sweet little birdhouse. This is a little sign, and it has a bunny rabbit, and we're going to put that in the ground, I guess. And anyhow, it says garden on it. Oh, here's another one of the boxes. I thought there was one more box. And this one doesn't have a name on it. This is a garden gate, and it tells you that way is to the garden and the other way is to home. And here's a little stool. We can sit by the table, and it's got the green gingham on it. Then we have this little, and now we have this little water tap. And I think those are all so cute. So, and we also made the front. I probably should have had it facing the other way. The front, and the door opens, and it has a little cat door. It has a handle on it. It opens. It's got the number on it. And this is the front of our greenhouse. This is the box it comes in. This is my instruction book. That stuff is in. So Let's dig through and see. Oh, there's a cup. Okay, I've got a couple of cups in here. Can you see me? Yeah. Oh, they are teeny tiny cups. We're going to put plants in those. And it says there's 2. We need 2 cups. Down here, here's a little tiny pot. Oh my goodness, that's tiny. Oh my goodness, that's a tiny pot. This guy. It's the only green thing I can see. Little tiny succulent. Okay, and we need this plant. Okay, those are the 2 plants we need. The little stickers that go on the cups. Here they are. See, this is how they come. There are numbers beside them, and then there's stickers. Okay, these are teeny tiny pieces. We have 2 cups, a flower pot. I am going to put the little stickers on first and then add the plants. So the stickers go on the cups. So they're little tiny stickers. And I got a little bit of glue. Make sure they're not upside down. And I'm going to stick them on the cup, which I won't be able to show you until after I get it on there. Okay, that one says clover. And I just put a little bit of Elmer's glue on there. So that one's done. I look like the Jolly Green Giant. And now I need to find the other sticker, which is, oh yeah, this will be sun. And we'll put a little dab of glue on there. And I'll take the other cup. And then somehow 2 little cups. 3 little pieces off. I'm going to dip them in the glue there and stick them in the pot. There's 1. There's 2. And the 3rd one. 3. Oh my goodness, those are little. The cups get, one of the cups gets this guy. Hopefully it'll stay there. And then this little cup that says sunflowers gets these little yellow flowers. And there shows 3 of them, and there's only 3 on here, so I guess they all go in there. So I'll just cut them off the stem. Or anyhow, it's pretty cute. More interesting little things. These little guys go in this little pot. Just gotta snip those big ends off. Oh, no, we don't need to. I'm just gonna put a little glue on there so it stays. All these little details. I put the cushion together. You just plop it together. So I decided to do the cushion. Now the little boots. It doesn't say to glue them together, but I'm going to because I don't want to have to always look for one. So I'm just going to put a little glue on the side. And these little daisies go in one of the boots. And I have to attach the daisies onto this little stick. That's cute. And we made the pillow, like I said, and we got those 2 little guys done. And we're going to put tulips in that. And we need the tops of these heads on first. Not sure if I can do this or not, but we'll give her a go. I'm going to put some hot glue on there. There's a tulip. It's got a hole in it, so that's nice. Be nice if they all had holes. There's one. These in here. There are holes in there, but I don't really think I'm going to hit them. There's one. Okay, my flowers aren't exactly like theirs, but close enough. With the little tulips in it. 1, 2, and cut one in half, and that'll make 3. 3. Okay, I think these are tulips too. We put all the white. And we put all the white on there. And there we go. Yeah, it's another one. Now, let's get this one done. The little roses. And they're probably the same. We just need to cut one of these. And this little pot goes right, oops. See why I glue everything? Goes right in here. So I am going to put some glue on it. Okay, I think that's enough for today. I'm going to put them all here in a row. I'd like to thank you for watching Fairy Garden Thursday. And I think, well, I had lots of fun making all these little accessories that are going to go in the greenhouse. And thank you very much. And this is a collaboration, and there's lots of us doing fairy garden stuff, and all you have to do is put hashtag Fairy Garden Thursday. Hashtag Fairy Garden Thursday, and you'll see lots of little fairy gardens. And as I said at the beginning of my video, I am working on a greenhouse for my fairies to play in. And these are some of the accessories that we made today. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. And I'll see you in my next video, which will be Sunday Home Reset. Bye!